Philippine valuable financial institution to raise costs through 25 BPs in June. A few call for 50 bits per second. Bengaluru. The Philippine crucial financial institution will enhance fees through a modest 25 foundation points for a second straight meeting in June, opting to transport extra slowly than its worldwide peers in an attempt to cool soaring inflation, a poll forecast. With the financial system within the Southeast Asian country improving neatly from the pandemic and inflation at a extra than 3-year excessive of 5.4%, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas (BSP) is beneath stress to behave now to save you the economy from overheating. On Monday, incoming Governor Felipe Medalla signaled the possibility of a chain of fee hikes this 12 months that would extend up to 2023 to tame inflation, adding he desired a slow unwinding of easy economic coverage. The June 13/20 poll confirmed nearly 3/4 of economists, 16 of 22, predicted the BSP to hike its key overnight reverse repurchase facility charge with the aid of 25 basis factors to 2.50% at its June 23 meeting. But 6 economists said the primary bank may additionally opt for a 50 basis factor boom after the U.S. Federal Reserve's massive interest charge hike closing week and the expectation of greater movements ahead to deliver down high inflation. Arguably, the BSP does now not have adequate incentives to supply oversized rates of 50 BP or greater, even though a few marketplace expectancies have shifted to a 50 BP hike on the June 23 assembly, said Lavanya Venkateswaran, economist at Mizuho Bank. Not the least because the BSP's try to engineer a gentle landing may be compromised through such aggressive movements because the economic healing remains fragile and choppy, she brought. With the BSP's views on charge hikes falling brief of expectancies, the Philippine peso dropped to its lowest level in more than 3.5 years, down nearly 6% this 12 months. While a depreciating peso is supportive for exports, it might add extra rate pressures because the pass-through of imported inflation becomes higher, urgent the primary financial institution to go for a jumbo 50 basis factor charge hike. BSP Governor Benjamin Diokno signaled a 25 BP boom, but we assume the beleaguered currency and accelerating inflation will be sufficient to pressure a greater punchy 50 BP charge hike from BSP, said Nicholas Mapa, a senior economist at ING. Economists within the poll expect the BSP to pick up its tightening pace. Nearly 1/2, 8 of 18 economists forecast the principal bank to hike prices to 3.00% with the aid of end September, and predicted it to reach 3.25% or better. While medians confirmed rates at 3.0% through end 2022, nearly 1/2, 8 of 18 economists forecast rates at 3.50% or higher. More hobby fee rises are visible in addition out from a smaller pattern who had forecasts going to the quit of next year. 6 of 11 economists forecast prices at 4.00% or higher, again to where they have been earlier than the COVID-19 pandemic.